Alright guys, welcome back to Nifty Network. Today we have a 350Z in here and I'm going to teach you how to remove your center bezel or your shift bezel. First things we're going to do first is get the center bezel off, or the shift bezel off. So start with going counterclockwise or loosening your shift knob off. Shift knob twists off easy. And then when you get to this section, make sure that the shifter is either in second, fourth, or sixth or reverse, because it helps having the shifter be that way. So you're gonna put your hands in right here and you're gonna lift up. There's two tabs right here, and you're gonna this kind of locks in like that, so you're gonna pull it back and then tilt it up that way. And then don't pull too hard because there's the AC ribbon right here. You'll see it when I take it off. That's really important, and it's also really fragile. If you break that, then you'll have to buy a new one of these AC boxes. So there you go, your shift bezel is off, and realistically you don't need any tools. I used a flathead to push on the little the tab right there. But yeah, that is how you remove your shift bezel on a 350Z.